Good day guys! This is Gab, the Property Wanderer. So ngayon, may interview tayong tao. She's one of the head brokers of Desire Realty. Which is ito siya. Si Ma'am Irish May Real / De Los Santos. First question, Ma'am Irish. Bakit nga ba kailangan bumili right now ang mga tao here in Centera, Cabuyao, Laguna?
Ayan. Hi, Sir Gav. Thank you for the wonderful question. Hi, home buyers. Currently, we have promos here in Centera, Cabuyao. So, yung mga reasons kung bakit dapat ngayon kayo bumili is dahil pre-selling pa si Centera, Cabuyao. So, we offer introductory price. Flexible yung ating payment terms, which is yung ating down payment is up to 12 to 18 months. And Centera, Cabuyao is very accessible. So, andito lang si SLEX, very few minutes away lang sa ating SLEX and National Highway. So, very accessible and prime location. And dito sa Cabuyao, this is a booming city sa ngayon. Ayan, so marami tayong mga upcoming developments like yung ating new PNR or yung Manila South Railways and also yung ating C6 or yung Laguna Lakeshore Drive.
So, ano pang hinihintay nyo guys? Narinig nyo na ang mga advantages ni Centera, Cabuyao, Laguna. So for more question or inquiries, message nyo lang ako sa mga makikita nyong social media accounts right now in the screen. So that's it. See you, Ka-Wander!